Good boy, Hopper. You're not too sure about Roxie yet, are you? Wait till you meet the other two. Gonna go back to your room now? Hmm? What do you think? It's fun to be out there. Be nice, Roxie. Good girl, Roxie. Don't block Hopper's way back to his room. There you go. What do you think? What do you think? Hmm? Shall we back up and give him some space? Come on. Roxie. Roxie. Good girl. Atta girl. Give Hopper space. Be nice now. Say hi nicely. Nicely, be nice. Good girl, Roxie. Wag that tail. I don't think he's liking you, but that's okay. Be nice, Roxie. Oh, that's a good girl. Good girl, Roxie. Good girl. Be nice. Hopper, do you want to come back to your room? Are you getting nervous, huh? What do you think? There you go. There you go. Okay? It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Good boy, Hopper. Okay.